just asking yourself, what can I see right now that is enjoyable to look at? Or what can I hear right now that gives me a feeling of calm? Okay. How's my body feeling? How does your body feel right now? Now that you're connected with the body, how's your breathing? You don't need to fiddle with anything, just observe. How's my breathing doing? And next, can you feel your heartbeat? Can you feel it without putting your hand on your chest? Because if, like me, there's too many clothes there. Can you feel your heartbeat? Is there something in this moment that you feel grateful for, that you appreciate, that makes you feel a little warmer? Do you feel any different generally than you did a couple of minutes ago when we started this meditation?